Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Wingate by Wyndham Horn Lake Southaven. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. Wingate by Wyndham Horn Lake Southaven, located 5 miles from Interstate 55. This hotel features an outdoor swimming pool and laundry facilities. Free Wi-Fi is provided to all guests. Memphis International Airport is 30 minutes drive away. Cable TV and a telephone are found in the simply decorated rooms at Wingate by Wyndham Horn Lake Southaven. Rooms are also equipped with air conditioning and a private bathroom. A 24-hour reception and vending machines are available to the guests of the Wingate by Wyndham Horn Lake Southaven. Coffee is offered in the mornings. Graceland, the Elvis Presley estate and museum, is less than 30 minutes drive from the hotel. The Mall of Memphis is less than 15 miles away. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.